All right. My assigned assessment was sentence props. What sentence props are kind of blocked sentences where students must complete the unfinished sentence. Um, why they work. An article from achievethecore.org states that students can benefit from sentence props because it helps them understand the type of content they are being asked to talk or write about. Sentence prompts also help students understand what they should be analyzing within a text and should be used to scaffold for eventually having students write without the prompts in full paragraphs or just complete sentences. The article also states that it is critical for all students to be given the opportunity to use newly acquired vocabulary in the content of written or oral work, and using sentence perhaps is a great way of doing that. A possible application for using sentence props um, is if, say, you had a lesson where the entire class is reading a novel. Uh, with sentence props, students would be able to potentially easily make predictions or inferences. Below, I have some sentence props or blocked out sentences that could be used to make a prediction of a novel. Maybe after reading a chapter or two, students could fill these out. As you can see, the first one says, I anticipate that blank causes blank. I think that blank will happen because blank, or I think blank might blank because I know that blank. Um, Sentence prompts could also be used to make sure students are um, using vocabulary in the proper way. Word banks were also mentioned. Students can, or a teacher could use a word bank along with sentence prompts to ensure understanding. Um, the reference I had was Scaffolds to Support English Language Learners in Writing and Discussion from Achieve the Org, or sorry, achievethecore.org.